Hello, here we have Arduino Uno and CNC shield. Okay, I will try to, the drivers are not, let me show you, drivers are not well or soldered. Okay, so I have to solder the driver. The pin head are already in place. I have to remove them to show it. Anyway, you can see it. I will zoom. Okay, that's good. This is the pin head outside, and here we have the driver. Okay, direction, ground, step, voltage, and sleep reset. Here we have the link for people who wanna make the PCB, Reprap or Reprap. They write reprap.org. The funny Chinese people, they don't know even what they are doing. So there is a mistake here. Instead of writing reprap, they write repeat. Anyway, .org/wiki/StepStick. So the position, it is like this. We have this potentiometer from this side. Okay, so enable, and the out is the and direction is here. Okay, anyway, we'll zoom out to see much clearer. Okay, so here I place, okay, the potentiometer is here in this side. Okay, this is the 12 volt until 36 volt, so it will be better to use only, or maybe using 12 volt for the Arduino, like this adapter. Okay, and inside there is, so you plug it here. Anyway, okay, it is 6 ampere, and there is an industrial. This is a 6 ampere for I use it for my 3D printer, so Delta 3D printer. Anyway, this we can use industrial. We can use industrial motherboard or a power supply. Here we have this limit switch limit, also from makerbot.com/m ME1. Anyway, this is version 1.2. Okay, there is a 6 here. Now it's time to solder. I have to place the phone up front. I don't have the what's how to call it, the tripod, but I will try to show you. I place the phone here like this. This is a bigger phone, so I am using a Nokia PureView 800H. Okay, you can notice here it's just, you can adjust the tilt or the inclination or the angle of recording. So just the idea about how to find a good solution for recording. Okay. Anyway, I have to fix the. Okay, autofocus is. Maybe it's better to. Okay. Maybe the phone will be. Or will stop recording because of the. That's good. Maybe. Okay. We have the. I need more heat. So push. I need a bigger soldering line. And, this is not the best way to solder. I didn't solder a wire for about 4 or 5 months, so it's like a car. It needs some time to heat up. Anyway. If you have like a vacuum cleaner, you can place it near the and it will remove this smoke or fume. If you solder too much during it doesn't depend on the night, but if you solder too much at the morning, you feel and you see some black thing on your saliva or your you have to stop the video. My phone. can remove one by one. Okay, so it's soldered now. Okay, thank you. The video is okay. So this blue connector is in the side of the potentiometer. So this button will be here for people who there is some dyers or people that will or they will place it in the opposite position, so they're gonna burn the soldered, and it need to, it's not well soldered, but anyway, that's good. So it's time to test, but the problem is I don't have the this one. And you know this, I don't have the female jumper. It needs some housing like this. Okay, so I have to remove this one. Okay, remove this one and place this, maybe now. So I have to remove this. This. I have to remove a small plastic part like this, and it will go out. So I have to remove this part like this, and I have also to remove everything. Anyway, I just will show you how to place it back. It's better to to buy a good quantity of this jumper housing, and they cost about $0.01 for the piece. So buy 500 or 1000 piece of female, and the inside, the piece inside, it's a metal pin header, female pin header or jumper. This is the words use it. And buy this housing. Also, you have to buy, you can notice it inside. I don't know if you really see it. Okay, this is the part placed in the soldered directly on the board. So buy something like this, about also 1000 pieces. So and at the end it will be about only $20, and that will be helpful. You know, most of the time you receive the boards without this kind of connector. So the Chinese people just try to economize or make economy, or win some wire. So this wire is a gain for them. If they don't solder this pin header, they win the soldering cost. Okay, and also the people who gonna solder this pin header gonna be paid. So when they send you the PCB and the pin header, you are working for them. Okay, so anyway, no need to talk about that, just to notice this CNC sheet. I'm gonna try to test it tomorrow, and then I will upload all the video on a playlist. Okay, thank you and have a good time.